Hello everyone, I'm Milari Chin. Thank you for coming and watching our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to create slicers using Power BI. It's a very good practice. If you see here, this is my report, and this report was generated from a data set that we can find here, just one table called orders. So here you find a company, category, city, country, days, markets, month, and all these different indicators you see here also have profits. Quantity sold, region, the sales that they make, segments, ship dates, ship mode, state, subcategory, and here. So from here we're able to create a small dashboard, just a basic dashboard for you here, and this dashboard was capturing profit by region. We wanted to look at all the profit from all regions. We also looked at the profit from different segments. We have the consumer segment, corporate, and home office. We also look at profit from subcategories. We have copiers, phones, bookcases, etc. These are some of the different subcategories that we saw here. And then also here we looked at the profit by market. We look at the profit by category. Okay, the categories we have technology, office supplies, and furniture. So from here you can already begin to see that technology has high profit, 0.66 million, but we are going to be changing this to thousands. Okay, so we can already see that from here. So now we have sliced this data by country. We have also sliced it by month. We have also sliced it by year. It means that if we want to see what is happening in different years per region profit, per segment profit, per subcategory profit, per category profit, per market profit, we can just come here and we click this slicer here, you see, and then it gives us a drop down of 2012, 2013, 14, 15, and 16. So if we go and we click 2012, you see that the data will change. You see the data is altered, so it's giving out information of subcategory, category, market, segment, and so on and so forth for 2012. If we want to see for 2013, we just click. You see it alters again. Okay, you see we have clicked. You see it alters. It alters. If we come and click 2014 again, you see it is going to alter for 2014. It's taking some time. It's going to alter again for 2014. If we click again for 2015, you see it alters. You see it changes. It means that management can say we want to know what happened in 2014 or 2015, and you just come here and you click. We want to know what happened in 2016. You see it is changing. It is giving you that specific information for that year. So this makes your data easy to analyze and easy to show to management and explain to them what is happening within these different years. We can also slice our data per month, okay, or per country. Okay, we can come here and we click, and then it gives us a drop down of different countries. Let's see Cameroon, what is happening in Cameroon, and we come and click Cameroon here, and then it tells us, you see, it tells us per region. Cameroon is found in Central Africa region. It tells us what the sales they are. It tells us per segment, consumers in consumer in Cameroon, home office in Cameroon, corporate in Cameroon. This is what is happening. So per this analysis you have consumer more on Cameroon. Okay, and then also per market, they are found in the African market. So you can also see Africa is already telling us which market Cameroon is found. And then also per category, it tells us that technology sold high in Cameroon, office supplies did second high, and then furniture did third. We can come to Canada and we also choose here, and you see that it alters the data. You see it's changing the data. Okay, it's changing. It's giving you insights from Canada. Okay, remember data analysis is just bringing out insights specifically per each moment or per time from data that you have analyzed. We can look at Afghanistan here. If we click them, you see it alters the data and gives us exactly what is found in that region. So here is what is reflective of Afghanistan. We can also come here and put, we can say in 2012, we want to get this from 2012 in Afghanistan. Okay, you see now, because remember Afghanistan did something in 2012, they also did in 2013, 2014. So we want to be more specific. We are looking at Afghanistan, and then in 2012, this is data is reflective of Afghanistan. Okay, and then we can still come here again, and then we say okay, we look at all the different month. Only April, August and December are showing per hour data. We click April here, you see it begins to tell us what happened in 2012 in April in Afghanistan. Okay, this is how we specify our data when we use slicers. Let's go in and show you how to create the slicers. So to create slicers is easy. We just need to go to a different page on our Power BI, and we come here. We want to create slicers per city. We just want to look at per market. First of all, we need to create a slicer. You need to analyze data. You need to find, we want to find sales per market. Okay, remember previously we were looking at profits. Here we just want to find sales per market. We just bring this down here, and after we have already seen statistically what this looks like, we just come here and choose a particular visual. It's good to take stack column chart. We use a stack column chart and see how it looks like, and then we open this for everyone to see, and then we click on our board, and then we go again and look at sales again we want to look at sales per segment. Okay, sales per segment, and then we bring this again here, and then we bring it here. This red line just helps you to adjust in a more organized way here, and then we go up here. We just want to adjust. You cannot create slicers without analyzing your data to see what and how the data looks like. So here we are just going to click in this visual here, and then we come here to our format your visual option, and then we choose and we go to x-axis. We want to delete the title from x-axis here. You see we have deleted, it was here, we have deleted our x-axis. We also want to go up here to our y-axis as well. We also want to go under our y-axis, and then we also delete this title here, and we also want to delete everything on our y-axis because we don't want that to show, okay, the figures to show, you see. And then we also want to come here under data labels, and we put it on. We want to see our data labels here, you see, but we want to go under value here. Where is the value option? We want to go under our labels, and we put it on, and then we'll see the value option, and then we go to our value option here. We want to put this in thousands. Okay, I think it's removing the decimals here. We don't want it to be in decimals. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it, perfect. And then here again we just want to leave it like that. We want to come here as well, and we do the same. We want to come here under our y-axis, and we put it off. You see that all this million here will go off, and then we want to go to the title itself, and then we put it off. You see that this sum of sales will go off, you see. And then we also want to put the title of our x-axis off here again as well. We just go under there, go there, and we put it off. Okay, great. You see now, so it's making our data even cleaner. And then we want to go down here and we'll put our data labels on as well on this visual. And then also we want to still remove our decimals places. So we go under our data labels, we see the value there, and then we see it's telling us display unit value of decimal places. We just want to put no, we want to put 0. Great. Okay, and then here again we want to go to general here, and then we change this title. We come here, and then we go here, this title here reflective of this one, so we just click sum of, we just say sales by segment. It gives us a sale by segment. We click here as well, and then we say sales by market. We just delete this. Great. Sales by money reflects here. We can still put it in bold. You see it here turns to bold. We can still click here, and we also put it in bold. We can do a lot of things, but remember today we are just teaching you how to slice. Okay, so now we come back to our visuals here. Okay, and this is the option called slicer. You see here, we just click, you see it appears up here. So we want to slice this data by we want to slice it by days. No, we want to slice it by month. Okay, we just click month. You see, perfect. You see the different months have appeared here. And then there is something I want you to know. We'll just click in our slicer here, and then we come again to this format visual, and it gives us option for slicers. And then we come under here, and then we choose, and we tell our slicer that we want to make it such a way that it can be in a list form. Okay, we want to change something on our slicers here. Slicer setting, we come to slicer setting here and we say we want to make it a list, okay, and we just come here, we say no, drop down, sorry, we click a drop down, you see, and then it gives us a drop down here and creates a space for us, okay, and then we just fix this in such a way that each time we come here now and then we choose to see August, you see all this data will change, it will change automatically. We will say we want to see December, you see it's changing. We want to see February, you see it's changing the data. You see we want to see for January, you see it's changing the data. We want to see for July, it's changing the data. So this is a good practice when it comes to creating your slicers. It's easy step to do. And why is this operating like this? I know you might be asking that question. It's simply because from your Excel sheet, this data is connected, okay, with rows and columns. So there's a relationship, okay. In your Excel sheet, where you have month is relating to the sales of that month, relating to the market of that month. So all that relation has been created and brought into Power BI, such that each time you are creating slicers, it's connecting back to that data and giving you the information as you have put it in, okay. Thank you all very much. This is just a tip on how to create slicers in Power BI. Stay blessed and continue following us.